Welcome back to my channel Gossipy Korean Life. In this video we will be talk about what is home insurance. Home insurance provides financial protection in the event of something happening to your property and or belongings. Depending on your policy, you might be covered for theft, fire, flood, loss, accidental damage and more. What type of home insurance and what do they cover? There are two main types: buildings insurance and contents insurance. These can either be bought individually or together as a combined home insurance product. Building insurance. This covers you in the event of damage to the structure of your home, such as the walls, roof and floors. It usually covers damage to fixtures and fittings too. It's not compulsory, but it's usually a condition of your mortgage to have it. If you own your own home with or without a mortgage, this is insurance for that. Content insurance. This covers you for loss or damage to personal possessions in the event of fire, theft, flooding and similar incidents. It covers all your personal belongings, anything not physically attached to the building against the cost of loss or damage. Unlike buildings insurance, this is optional, but insuring your possessions is generally a sensible idea for both tenants and homeowners. Do I have to buy home insurance and do I need both buildings and contents insurance? Many people will need both buildings and content insurance, but some will only need one type of cover. You may have to need both. If you are homeowner, you probably need both. While building insurance is not a legal requirement, it will usually be required by your mortgage lender. Even if you own outright, it's still usually a good idea. You own the freehold to your property. It can be very expensive to repair any structural damage, so cover is highly advisable. If you own the freehold on a flat, or you might be able to check out a single buildings policy with the other owners. You may not need both. If you are tenant, you likely only need content insurance. You don't need to take out building insurance, as it will be your landlord's responsibility to make sure that the right cover in the place. But if you want your positions to be short, it's up to you to take out contents insurance, not the owner landlord. You own a leasehold flat and don't own part of the freehold. The building will likely be insured by the whoever owns the freehold, but you may have to pay a contribution to the cost of insurance through your service charge. If you do own part of the freehold with other leaseholders, you will jointly be responsible for taking out buildings insurance. If you do need both buildings and contents insurance, it's usually cheapest to buy them together on a combined policy rather than taking out two separate ones. Having one policy in place can also make it easier and quickly if you do need to claim on both your building and contents covers. How to reduce the cost of home insurance? Increase security. Some insurance will only insure you if you have BSI improved locks on all outside doors and windows. Most insurers will help you work out which looks you already have. You might also get a reduction for joining your local neighborhood watch scheme and installing security lighting. Install alarms. Smoke and burglar alarms are both important. Make sure they are improved models. Could earn you a discount on your premiums, or although what you have in lower premiums is likely to cover the cost of the alarm. Increase the excess on your policy. If you are happy to cover a bit more of the cost of a claim yourself, your premiums might be lowered. Build your no claim discount. If you don't claim for a few years, you might get a discount, but not at all companies offer this, so check before you buy. Buy buildings and content insurance together. You might get a discount if you get both from the same company. Pay annually. Monthly premiums can cost more. There usually an extra 6% charge to pay monthly. Though some insurers will allow payment by take advantage of offers. Some insurers guarantee to beat any quote on or the renewal of your current policy by up to 10% on a like-for-like basis. Check you don't already have it. You may have some form of home insurance as part of a packaged current account. If you do already have enough cover in place, there is no need to pay for a separate policy. Where can I buy home insurance? Comparison website is a good way to find insurance that you need. But remember that the cheapest policy is not necessarily best for you, so don't simply pick the first one you see. Direct from insurance, not at all insurances are covered by comparison sites. Aviva, Zurich, and Trackline are among the big names that don't appear, and their products can only be bought directly. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.